How to fix Discord update fail loop in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix Discord update fail loop in your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with your search. Under search, you need to search for Discord, and here you need to right click on it or go with the right side and click on run as administrator. Once you click on run as administrator, then your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't, then you need to press Windows and R keys together and you will have this run kind of interface. So you just need simply enter percentage local app data percentage and hit the enter or go with OK. So you need to scroll down and then you need to find the Discord folder. Once you find the Discord folder, just double click on it and here you will have the update folder, right? So you just need simply right click on this update and you need to just go and rename this one. So you can rename as old update or something like that. Once you've done renaming, you need to go back to your app data and here you will have roaming. So go with roaming. Here you need to find the Discord folder and you will have cache option. Go with cache and here you need to just delete the cache data. So you need to go with all of these data and you need to delete all of these cache data. Press Ctrl A and then you can just go with delete and delete the cache data. After deleting, you can just restart your device and go with Discord application and it will fix your problem. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.